An asset register is something commonly looked at in the finance or accounting side of a business. So it might seem strange if I were to tell you how crucial an asset register is to the IT end of an organisation. So technology is always improving, and new equipment is forever replacing the elder. Because of this, it can be very confusing and expensive to keep up with the world of technology. But if your business is to survive, it's extremely important for it to keep up to date, considering all new technology is faster, more reliable, easier to fix, and often cheaper to run. So how can you make sure your business doesn't fall behind? Well, an asset register can be used to note down and keep track of all the technology and software used inside your company. Why is that useful? Because your business probably uses a lot of equipment, whether that's computers, laptops, servers, or software applications. So it can be very easy to forget what you're using. That's why having an organised record of your equipment means you know when it needs to be replaced, when there's a new and better version available, or how much you're paying for your current tech. As I said, you need to ensure your business is using the best and most reliable technology available for several reasons. So an asset register is just what you need to ensure your business survives and thrives.